Hello, my name is Dr. Arslan. I'm hair transplant surgeon in Turkey. Today, this is my passion from post hair transplant.
Yeah.
7 and 8
months.
8 months.
8 months after.
Yeah. How many grafts, GB?
3,000 grafts.
3,000 grafts. Donor area is very nice, non-damage. Camera. Turn. Yeah. Non-damage, very nice, very homogeneous extraction. It's possible 2 and 3 operation after this. Yes, Jimmy?
Yes. Yeah, I hope so. Maybe 1 or 2 more.
Yeah. Look is very natural. It's very natural. Here. And a little bit zigzag and natural hairline is very important hairline.
Yeah, so
Hairline for me is very important, yeah. For me and for my patient. Yeah. You like?
Yeah, I like. Yeah, I'm very happy with the results. Yeah, because it's looking very, very natural, and the people when I say that I had operation, they don't believe because
Yes.
it's so natural.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy.
What is next operation? Your beard?
Maybe my beard. Yeah. Maybe
Yeah,
in
next
2
operation.
months,
Yeah, I want beard hair transplant.
Beard, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Maybe 2,000 grafts or
Yeah.
something like that. I'm thinking to do operation. So
Yeah. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.